Hey guys, welcome to Larock's Cooking Adventures. I'm your host, Larock, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a holiday ham. Okay, what we have is about a 16 pound smoked ham. Most of you guys are going to get your hams already cooked, and you're basically just heating them up. Unless you know you got some sort of a hookup with a local farm. It's going to be smoked out your store. It's going to be cooked already. So we have some maraschino chinos. We have some sliced pineapples. We have some whole cloves. And I cheated today and just got a ham glaze. So what we're going to do first is make incisions on this ham. Okay? We're going to give it like a diamond. Like that. And turn this up a little bit. And like that. Okay? And we're going to come back the other way. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. And then like that. Okay. Now, next what we're going to do is take a little bit of this glaze and put it on. Like I said, when you guys are buying hams, they're going to be cooked already for the most part. Like I said, unless you know you have some sort of hookup at a local farm where you're getting it fresh. Just going to put a little bit all over this sweetheart. Like so. Then we're going to put the fancy stuff on, which is the pineapples, the cherries, and the cloves. Okay, get it nice and Larocky, after dark styly. Okay. Now in the bottom of this pan, I have it in a 2-inch shallow hotel pan with the baker's rack. I don't want the ham itself to touch the bottom of the rack. And you see this little bit of liquid that's in here? That is the liquid from the actual pan, and it is the liquid from the pineapples. So I did forget to mention that you're gonna need some toothpicks. Huh? All right, first we're gonna start with our pineapples. Just slap it on the side, slap it. And then put your toothpicks in there. Use a toothpick to holder. Like such. You get a cherry in the center. Like that. Bing! Some of you might not prefer to use this, but that's okay. It's all in your individual taste. I'm just trying to show you guys the few things that I know. The Rocky style. Okay. I'm gonna put a couple on the front. Let's go with the cherries. I'm gonna destem these like that. Just plop one in the middle. Put it in the middle. Cherry in the middle. I like that. I like that. I'm really not digging that pineapple on the front. I'm just gonna get rid of that because I don't like it. Okay, that looks good like that. Now, what I want to do is take a couple of cloves and put them in random places. In the ham, in the pineapple, the color. Guys, make sure you don't eat these cloves when you get done. Alright? It's gonna be like woo-ah in your mouth. All in your mouth. Okay? Just push it in. Push it in. Just put them random places. Let that good clove flavor seep through when it goes to the reheat. Okay. Holiday style ham brought to you by Larockscooking Adventure, you guys. Happy holidays to you all. It's holiday season 2020. Oh, this is a little limpy. Like it need an ED pill or something. Larocks after dark. Okay. These cloves just pretty much add color to the situation. Okay, we have this ham all decked out, right? We got the cherries, we got the sliced pineapples, we got the cloves going on. So what we're gonna do next is cover it with a piece of parchment paper and then foil. And we're gonna put her in the oven. Now remember guys, we're only reheating this thing, right? Doesn't have to be super tight or anything like that. I'm just covering it up so it doesn't really scorch or anything like that, okay? And we're just gonna go in to the oven for 30 minutes at 400. And then I'm gonna take the top off and continue baking it and let it brown off. Okay guys, that was the first 30 minutes on the ham. I'm gonna pull her out the oven and then take the foil off. Okay. Sounds like she's nice and hot. However, I'm definitely gonna give her more cook time. Look at that. Looking good. So I'm gonna reglaze, put a little bit more glaze on her, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Get this timer off so it stops beeping in your ear. Take a look. Yeah? Looks good. Now you see why I scored the ham. Made those diamonds. You see that? Looks like a professional almost, yeah? Larockscooking Adventures, huh? Just gonna put it around the piña. Like that. Then I'm gonna put it back in the oven, uncovered, for let's go for another 30 minutes. Really, I wanted to say 45 minutes, but I'm gonna go for 30. She looks good. She looks real good. Oh my gosh. I smell the cloves. The cloves have been cooked in a little bit. Okay, let's do it. Drop it back. 30 minutes. Really, I want to do it for 45, but we're gonna check back at 30 to see what's going on here. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Okay, guys, there it is. That's what we were looking for, that timer. Okay, so that was the second 30 minutes uncovered on the holiday ham. Let's take a look. What do you guys think? This looks good, right? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell to Larockscooking Adventures. Ciao.